So you finished episode 1. You know what X ads is and why it matters. But knowing what something is and actually turning it on, two completely different things. Today we turn it on. Welcome back to the X ads Blueprint, Season 1, Episode 2. Setting up your X ads account step by step. Let's go. First things first, your X ads account does not live inside your regular X profile. There is a dedicated platform built specifically for advertising on X, and it lives at one address, ads.twitter.com. That is your destination. Bookmark it right now. Seriously, go ahead, I'll wait. Before you get there, you need one thing already in place, an active X account. That is step 0. If you have an X profile, you are already ahead. Once you land on ads.twitter.com, the platform walks you through creating your advertiser account. And one of the first things it asks for is your billing information. X ads requires a valid credit or debit card and a billing address to activate your account. Not a routing number alone, not PayPal, not a cryptocurrency wallet. And yes, someone definitely asked about that once, just a straightforward card and billing address, clean and simple. And here's the part that should relax you. Entering your card does not mean you are immediately charged. You are not billed until your ads actually start running. Setting the account up costs absolutely nothing. The spending only starts when you decide it starts. You are always in control. Now, once your account is live, the first real decision you make is choosing your campaign objective. This matters more than most beginners realize. Your objective tells the platform exactly what result you want, and X optimizes everything around that goal. Get it wrong, and even a great ad going to the right people delivers the wrong result. Think of it like telling a taxi driver your destination before you get in the car. The moment you say where you're going, they take the best route there. If you say nothing, they just drive, anywhere, everywhere, and you end up nowhere useful and considerably poorer. Your campaign objective is your destination. Always set it first. All right, 3 questions, let's lock this in. Question 1, what is the first step to setting up an X ads account? A, purchase an X Premium subscription. B, create an X account and navigate to ads.twitter.com. C, connect a Facebook Business Manager account. Or D, upload at least 10 posts before accessing ads. The answer is B. Start with an active X account, then head straight to ads.twitter.com to create your advertiser account and add billing details. Option A is unnecessary. You do not need X Premium to run ads. Option C is for Facebook, a completely different platform. And option D is not a requirement at all. No posts needed before accessing the ads platform. Question 2, which billing information is required when setting up an X ads account? A, your bank's routing number only. B, a valid credit or debit card and billing address. C, a PayPal account linked to a business email. Or D, a cryptocurrency wallet address. The answer is B, a valid credit or debit card and billing address. That is the standard. Option A is insufficient on its own. Option C is not the accepted payment method. And option D, no. X ads does not accept crypto wallets. Card and billing address, that is it. Last question, what campaign objective should a beginner choose when they want more people to visit their website? A, app installs. B, follower growth. C, website traffic. Or D, video views. The answer is C, website traffic. Choosing this means X actively sends your ad to users most likely to click through to your site. Option A drives app downloads. Wrong goal entirely. Option B grows your follower count on X, not website visits. And option D maximizes video plays. Great for video goals, useless for driving website traffic. Match the objective to the mission, every single time. Episode 2 done. You know where X ads lives, how to set up your account, and how to choose the right campaign objective from the start. Episode 3, we are getting inside the X ads dashboard, your advertising control room. You do not want to miss it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so episode 3 lands right in your feed. See you there. Let's go.